Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at New York Mile 59 in the town of Homer, Cortland County. We're once again driving in a light rain. It seems there's no escaping it on this trip. We enter the town of Preble, named for Commodore Edward Preble, a U.S. naval hero. The town had a population of 1,357 as of the 2020 census. Here we enter Onondaga County, the 11th most populous county in New York, with an estimated population of 467,873 as of 2023. The county is located in the central New York region of the state. Its name, Onondaga, comes from the American Indian tribe that lived in the area when Europeans first arrived. The name means people of the hills. We've also entered the town of Tully, which had a population of 2,676 as of the 2020 census. We enter the village of Tully, a separate municipality from the town of Tully. The village is named after the Roman orator Marcus Tullius Cicero. Outsiders first settled in the community around 1795, and it became an official village in 1875. Tully had a population of 904 as of the 2020 census. US-11 picks up the local name State Street here. Here we make a left turn and begin a concurrency with New York State Route 80. This section of highway is called Elm Street. As we come to a stop at this traffic light, you can see a sign across the road that indicates a junction with New York State Route 11A. This highway, although it doesn't connect with US 11, serves as a bypass of US 11. 11A was not an older alignment of US 11 and actually predates US 11 by about 15 years. It was given the 11A designation in 1930 in a mass statewide highway renumbering. Later, Interstate 81 was built right alongside this stretch of US 11. we enter the town of Lafayette, named after the Marquis de Lafayette, a key figure in the French and American revolutions and widely considered a national hero of France and the United States. The town was purchased from the Onondaga tribe in 1817 and resold to settlers. The town of Lafayette was incorporated in 1825. Each year, the town hosts an apple festival on the weekend before Columbus Day. This event began due to the area's long history of apple orchards on the farmland to the west. Today, Lafayette still has 4 apple orchards. The town had a population of 4,910 as of the 2020 census. We enter the Hamlet of LaFayette, sometimes referred to as the Village, although it has never been incorporated as such. Here we cross the Cherry Valley Turnpike, which is also US Highway 20. Earlier in the series, we mentioned the stepladder of highways as we progress up US-11. US 20 is the final rung in this stepladder, having crossed each US highway ending in 0 from US 90 to US 20. Unfortunately, US 10 doesn't reach this far east, so we won't be seeing that one. We conclude our video here at mile 77. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.